everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you how to install our interface video to add backup camera to Audi A4, A5 and Q5 that they don't come with navigation. Basically it's internal MMI, or there's some people they're calling it non-MMI, how to install the backup camera. So this is an Audi A4. I start with the camera part. So basically you need to remove the cover panel here, which already removed, and there is a cover here that it needs to come out. There is 10 mil bolts, 2 of them here and 2 back there, that you need to open them. Excuse me. And then you can reach to the factory trunk handle, and it pops out. And there is 2 screws here too. And then after that you can install the backup camera, the trunk handle with the backup camera back on the same spot. And then this is the wire that it comes out from our camera. There is one power, one RCA. And then we just follow the factory wires. That's how we did it. Goes here, then we run it through here, and it goes from the roof liner to the front dash. But just I'm giving you some friendly reminders here that you don't need to connect the ground. So just isolate the ground from the camera. Forget about it. No need to connect. Again, no need to connect this ground to anywhere. And you don't need to get the power from the reverse light. Our camera does it automatically. So just that's it. So no ground, and connect these 2 wires, and the rest follow here. Go to the roof liner, and it's gonna come out from here. That's the following the camera. That's the wire. So need to open this part. Need to open the glove box. After you open the glove box, there is one box here that it says pass or whatever here, and it's a red connection. As you can see, there is a red harness that you need to unplug it from this part and use our T harness. After you using that, you have to open the radio. So the radio is open, and this is our interface right here. That's the power for the interface that you need to power it up. And there is 2 LVDS cables. One is LVDS out, the first one. The second one is LVDS input. So one goes all the way to here. So basically that's another T harness. We remove the T harness and we connect it to the back of the radio. And the LVDS one, as I said, it goes to LVDS in, as it's marked as in, and LVDS out, it's marked as out. So it's so simple to install. Sorry, I can't go through how to take out the dash or whatever. Those are basically, we consider it as basic knowledge that the installer should know. So that's all you need to do. And also the camera, just connect to the camera, the RCA for the camera. And there is one white wire that it says rear view camera. So you connect the power only here from our camera harness. So you connect the power to this white guy, and then you're gonna get the power for the camera. So no need to get the power from the reverse light. It makes your life 10 times easier. And I'm gonna show you the position for the dip switch. That's a dip switch for Audi. 1 has to be up, 2 has to be down, 3 up, 4 down, 5 up, 6 up, 7 up, 8 down. Then you're good to go.